Hey guys, how's it going? Go Explore Matt here today. I have a new video for you because I want to show you the newest member of the Go Explore Matt team. You're going to be surprised, it's not who you think it is. So stay tuned, get ready, and enjoy the surprise. So now that I've told you all there's a new member of the team, are you ready to see him? You're going to be surprised. Okay, here comes a new member of our team. Teddy! Teddy is a Havapoo. He's from Oakville, Ontario, where he's born and where he currently lives. He is 9 months old, and he's a little baby. Say hi, Teddy. So in this video, we're going to take Teddy to the park. He's going to do some tricks for you, and you're going to see what Teddy's all about. We're hoping in the future to take Teddy on some adventures with us. Because yeah, we want to bring him on trips and have him see new and different places. So yeah, enjoy this little quarantine video of our little dog called Teddy. Give a kiss. Alright guys, now Teddy is going to practice his tricks for you.
Sit. High five. Yes. Shake. Good boy. Come on down. Down. Roll over. Good.
Yeah. Teddy knows a lot of tricks, including roll over, down, high five, shake.
Go to your bed.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Okay, Teddy. You've been good. You ready to go to the park now?
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go. So we're taking Teddy to his local park right now so he can run around for a bit. So a little channel update. We started uploading more videos recently, and we're going to keep uploading once a week. I think every Tuesday or every Wednesday. We got to decide that. And yeah, we're going to do more informational videos for now since we can't go out and do stuff because of this quarantine. But if you guys like it, we'll do more Teddy videos too for the time being, since you can't really go and explore places right now. So yeah, ready to go to the park?
Yeah.
When you're playing with Teddy is he needs like treats so he can come back to you, or if you don't have anything to offer him, he just wants to run around and play. That's typical dogs. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this quick little video for you. I hope you enjoyed that footage I got of Teddy at the park. He had a little bit of fun. And yeah, it was nice to go out during this quarantine time. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also check out my 2 latest videos I just posted. One of Calgary, Alberta, and the other one of Mexico City, Mexico. So please enjoy those videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Want to say bye, Teddy? Say bye.